I learned many years ago, to make money, you can't focus on money. That sounds counterintuitive, I know. I thought the same thing. However, as I transitioned from an engineer to creating and running my own business, I learned how true this really was. In my 15th year, my education business is thriving and making more money than ever. However, my focus is still not on making money. Don't get me wrong. I don't ignore the money aspect of business, but it is not my focus. In my business, I teach students, so my focus is my students. I do everything I can to ensure that my students get the best results and get my undivided attention. Understanding this has helped my business grow for 15 years, and still going. In the YouTube world, I approach it the same way. We can get caught up in our upload schedules, thumbnail designs, title and description effectiveness, video editing, and script writing. Those are all necessary and important parts of running a successful YouTube channel. We do all these things focused on getting monetized. However, please remember the most important thing. When you ask for a like or the viewer to subscribe, you're not asking a machine. A very real person just like yourself is on the other side. In our digital age, full of analytics and data, it's easy to forget that in the end, we're informing or entertaining a real person. When you make your videos, imagine that one specific person you are making the video for. Cater your content to help that one person the best you can. If we focus on people rather than just the process, we will actually do much better in our business endeavors, and find our efforts much more fulfilling and meaningful along the way. The interesting thing is, the more we sincerely care about people, and do things with them in mind, you'll find that the money will follow. And that's the way it should be, rather than us chasing after money. If this video was indeed helpful to you, please consider liking and subscribing. And one last thing. There's an affiliate link in the description below. If you're interested in investing some money and time to accelerate your YouTube channel success, please check out the link. My name is Dave, and I really appreciate you watching this video today. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to join me in my next video.